Nhất xa sẽ hơi chính em điểm cái chính nhập.
Hằng nghe lại phim ngay sẽ.
Bác bài bên nghe. Nrei te bro chính em ngin hap sunyo tang tek pop. Bagi kamba bhajuni.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Presiden Jongka Karnataka Pradesh Mahila Congress ka Somya Reddy ka Badeiru ka MLA Barim bat ka Nongpet Perman Jongka All India Congress Committee ha ka khat khandai tarik urempang aharjat phanrio kala 1 hanong ba Shillong ban Pynkhlaiñ biang ya ka seng Congress da ka belum jelang ya ki nongket kam khanang ban Pynkhlaiñ ya ka election ka ban salong ha usnam aharjat arpupra ha kani ke jela ha kajia karan bat kila patai kubor ha Kongres Bhawan Shillong ka ready kalai thu baki bor bahalor jong ka seng Kongres kila patha ban wanra ye ki buit rekam ki batmai bat ban Pynkhlaiñ shu ya ki lat kilenti ki bala ban kentiu ya ka parti ha kisnem ki ban sawan.
We come from a party that is Indian National Congress, which is very democratic, and we also believe in internal democracy as well. So people like me who are EICC observers, who are completely neutral, we are traveling across the entire district of which in charge has been given to us. We are meeting we are having meetings in every assembly in the district, and also the block presidents and Mahila Congress, Youth Congress, all frontals, and also even the civil society. The whole intention is to strengthen the Congress. And this particular process is specifically to strengthen the party at the district level. And so we are basically doing this evaluation. This happens in every state. 3 months ago, I was in Andhra Pradesh. We are doing it now in 5 states. And so this is an application for the president for DCC, that's a District Congress Committee. And whoever is, in fact, interested, applicable, so they can give us inputs as to how to serve people better, how we can strengthen the party, and ensure that we take everyone's inputs, be it women, be it youth, be it even the issues, that there are a lot of local issues, ensuring that we basically speak up for people, and at the end of the day, we strengthen the party. You and I know that Indian National Congress Party is one of the oldest parties, and I personally am very, very proud to belong to this party. Even in this state as well, there is a very long and rich contribution of the Indian National Congress Party's governments. But yes, I'm also aware of the fact that in the past decade and a half or so, we are in a little difficult phase, and this is precisely the reason why we are doing this process, this exercise in all the districts, and especially in Meghalaya as well. As we speak, this is also happening in Manipur, this is happening in Nagaland, and also Uttar Pradesh. And through you, I want to share that anybody can take this form, and they can apply. And be it all the frontal organizations, be it women, be it civil society, be it young people, be it issues related to farmers, and anything and everything, we are here to speak up for people, and we are here to strengthen the party. And Indian National Congress, irrespective of what background we belong to, what caste, religion, gender, we believe in equality, and that's precisely why this is a completely transparent and accountable and democratic process as well. In the central government, it's very unfortunate that the BJP government, and now there is an NDA government, and which is basically they spoke about Achhe Din, but nobody in the entire country has really seen Achhe Din. And we as opposition, the India Alliance, and of course Congress, we have been actively speaking up, be it our AICC President Kharge sir, and of course Rahul Gandhi ji, and all the leaders as well. Not just at the parliament, but also we are trying to strengthen in each and every state as well. Because you know that next about almost 2 years, we're going to have elections in this state as well. And this is one way for us to see what has happened, and also so that we can do course correction, and also we can learn from what's happened, and also we can boost a lot of people. I also want to come to the party, join, and also we basically come from, I as a neutral person, we see what has happened and what's not happened, and then so that we can strengthen the party in the state as well. That's why we are doing this process, because to look at what has happened and how we can improve. So that, because people are also really fed up of the present government in the state as well. And people are also seeing, there is what I've also noticed when I'm speaking to people, common people, is that there is a lot of people like Congress. There are people who have voted for Congress, and so we want to have this introspection so that we can prepare better for the next upcoming elections. So this is a part of the whole process as well. So the whole intention is to have new voices, new people, and also to have internally how we can really kind of go further, so that we can have fresh thought as well, so that we connect with people once again.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.